Okay, so we have Gamba Anvils and Omnisol. Fuck the Omnisol. Let's
Have
see.
dashing or nesting doll, but I think nesting doll is so OP that I'll take that one.
I'm going for the Gamba Anvils this game. I'm going stat on stats. Let's go for it. I got the 15%
The
attack
show has
speed.
raid boss.
Another 15% attack speed. Really nice. Really good. Not a bad start at all.
Oh, Gamba Anvil is crazy, man.
Yeah. I think I'm going Anvil stat this game.
Yeah, me too, me too, me too.
Ooh. Zinzao is running great, boss. Let's go for this dude first, maybe. She got it, she got it.
The Mundo flashed! Wow. Crazy.
Fuck, they are focusing me. I'm dead. Help the Zinzao. Okay. Both of y'all are dead here.
Yeah. No damage.
I just got the Gamba Anvil. I need a second augment here.
Diana has Wooglets. She got so much AP because of the fucking rod.
You automatically begin to reviving yourself after 3 seconds. You can be revived 1 additional times. Okay, you got the nesting doll here. The
Yeah,
Zinzao
it's
got
nice that it's when I get the max upgrade because then we all get a revive.
Okay, what should we go for here? Sacrifice an augment for a place to the higher tier? No, absolutely not. Let's go for the Shaker.
Yes, yes, yes.
Man, fuck that shit. We got the way.
Sad.
Fuck the Prowler's Claw. Give me the fucking Gambler's Blade this game, please. Fuck, I got no Gambler's Blade. Your attacks reduce your cooldown on your dash and blink abilities. Nah. Man. You increase your attack speed from all sources.
Ooh, Reaper Stall, nice.
Yeah, with these stats, I'll be attacking really fast.
That's a big one, yeah.
Should we help our Zenzao here? Because he is suppressed right now. Should we help him or not?
Yeah, I think so.
But they have the Jax here. He will just stun me. I'm stunned.
Yeah, fuck your blade walls, bro. Fuck it.
I'm going for the Zenzao to help him.
Going for the Jax. Oh,
Okay,
he's
I'm
sleeping.
going for the Twitch.
Yep.
Nobody's dying here for some reason. Nice, we got the dude.
We're going to get the Twitch too.
Can we
Wait.
get him? I'm healing, I'm healing. Fuck, I got CC'd by the dude. Nah, we lost it, we lost it.
Ah, so close. How's the fucking... how's she so big, the Nami?
Takedowns make you smaller and grants you ability haste and movement speed. Nice. Your attacks by affinity, no. Target damage and size.
Ah, I think I am switching to items because I got Steal Your Heart quest.
I got the shrink engine here, so We have to win this next round. Okay, let's back off our Zinzao. I'm behind you, I'm behind you.
Shit, man, I'm not doing shit in this round. But I have a free revive.
Fuck, I got killed.
Yeah, but this Shinja is fucking tanky.
Yeah, Jinjao is not dying.
Can I revive you? No, I
Yeah,
think
you are
not.
reviving. Get this, get this. We lost this round.
No. Nah, too bad.
Please, man, one round, please. Nice, I got some gold here. Stack some attack speed. Get me the armor. Give me this shirt. The tankiness and the damage. We should win this round, we should win it. Although they are the first place, but we should win this round.
What the fuck is that damage?
You are getting absolutely destroyed, my boy.
Yeah, it's the Darius.
Fuck, I'm getting destroyed also. I'm healing you, I'm healing you, I'm healing you.
Nice. I'm coming back with full HP.
I used my ultimate there. I'm going for the healing foods. Nice, I healed back up some of my HP here. I think I can go for more off. Q, can we get this? Fuck!
No! Get the revive.
That was so close, man. That was way too close.
Hmm. Oh, they both got Eureka, Syndra, and Veiga.
Okay, let's go for the healing orb. Nice, we got it, we got it. Holy shit, bro, you are taking a lot of damage here.
Yeah, I'm basically paper in this game.
At least
Full
we
rate.
got the...
I mean, I got the free the revive for free, so I'm good.
yeah. I'm going for the Viger next.
Give me hard steel stack, bro. Give me. Die.
I got
Oh my
killed
God.
there. Take the... never mind. Heal us,
Yeah,
Zinzao.
I still got the
Nice. Zinzao,
Okay.
Zinzao's carrying us.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. You are not getting away. When the zone gets close, you're dead, bitch.
Nice. At last, we won one round. At last. Really nice.
Some stacks for your shrink engine. Oh, and you're not losing stacks anymore, right? Yeah, that's nice. You got 6 stacks already.
Yes,
Nice.
please give me more stacks. I'm stacking really well. If we keep winning rounds, I'm going to be huge. Ooh, 47. Should I take it? Should I
Sharp blade?
take it? Yeah. I think I'm gonna take it. Since we are already loading.
It gives you a lot of attack speed boost.
Holy shit! I'm too fucking small, man. I'm way too fucking small.
Oh, and only getting smaller.
Ult me, ult me, ult me, ult me. Well played, nice ultimate.
Oh no.
No, I think you are. No. You should get killed first person, man. Since you have the. Can you heal us? Can you heal the Zinzao or me?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Nice, well played. Ah! Fuck, man, fuck. Next round, if we lose, it's GG's.
Oh, already. That's too bad.
Look at me, man. I'm fucking small, bro. I look like a fucking
And you're going to get even smaller.
I hope we win it. If we win this round, I'll get even smaller, but I hope we win it. I really don't want to lose. I want to see how smaller I'll get this game. Nice, they have the Nami and the Twitch. We can kill either one of them. Just use your ult on me.
Yeah.
Fuck, I got killed. Try to heal me, maybe?
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, I'm letting him kill me, so I get the auto revive.
I'm using my ultimate here. Nice.
He's not
Go
killing
for
me.
this guy. Nice, we got the Twitch. I think we win it. Nice. Well played, bro. Really well played.
Easy,
Look how
easy.
small I am, bro. Holy shit. Look how small I am. Oh my god, I look like a fucking ant.
For real, man, and you're so fast.
They can't even auto me. Like if you sit beside me, bro, they can't auto me, legit. Literally, they can't click on me.
Nice.
We gotta, if we win this game, this will be some insane game, bro. Insane game.
Got level 3 nesting though, now we all get the revives.
Well played, bro. This game is GG right now. I hope so. I hope it's GG right now. Look how small I am. Nice ultimate from you, bro. Nice ultimate. We win this, we win this.
Yeah, easy.
I'm gonna get the fruits real quick.
I'm leaving you the hits on this fruit too.
Well played. Let's get the sync before he revives his buddies. Kill the sync.
Not even close. What were you doing?
I'm fucking way too small, man. They can't even see me.
I loved how we were just standing there.
Look how small I
I think I'm gonna gamble for a prismatic
am. That
here.
is insane, bro. Look how small I am. I can't see my fucking self.
Oh, hello, Mr. Reaper Tall.
Oh my god. Crazy, bro. Crazy.
Ooh, and you already have the upgraded shard blade, and Xinjiao now also has his shard blade.
Man, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Alright. I'm gonna wait back here.
Look at small.
I'm gonna ult you when you go in.
Okay. They can't see me, bro. They can't see me. They can't see me. I'm invisible.
Draw your sword, Graves. Who? Is it draw your sword, Graves?
I'm
No.
invisible. I'm behind your ass, bro. They can't see me. I'm behind the
Like
gun.
my shoe is bigger than you. My
Literally.
boot is bigger than you. Wait. Let me pull in the sword.
They have a hard time clicking on me, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Fuck, man, I'm dying. I can't breathe. Fuck. Oh my lord. Let's see, what do I get here? Oh, reduce max health. Shit, I need something to make me smaller here. The brutalizer, get 15. Select this augment, grants 400. Let's go for it. 15 lethality, let's go for it. Attack damage, let's go for it. 25% Omni Vamp, baby. Let's go for it, baby.
That's nice. Oh, and we're watching. We're not even playing this round.
Look at me, how small I am, bro.
How many stacks you got on the shrink engine? 17, 170% ability ace. That's crazy.
Man, I'm so fucking small. They can't even hit me with their abilities at this point. Let's spectate this game.
Look at how big the Mundo is, but he only got 7.8k health.
Yeah, he will have hard time focusing me. I
Oh,
can
but he
tell
has
you.
shard blade. He has shard blade as well.
Yeah, I'm going for the Kog'Maw there. If we start fighting them, I'm killing the Kog'Maw first. Kog'Maw
Yeah.
is dealing all of the damage.
Yep, and Diana is also doing a lot of damage with her booklets. And phenomenally, how much HP? She got 1300 AP, man. Fuck.
No worries, no worries. We win it. We win it. We win it.
Yeah, we got them. Okay, what do we gamble here for now? I mean, since they're doing a lot of AP damage, I think I'm going for Hollow Radiance.
Look at me attacking, bro. That's crazy. Holy
5.28 attack speed. What the fuck, man?
That's crazy, bro.
That's crazy, bro. You're doing like 1,005, no, even more. You're doing 5k damage per second. What the fuck?
Let's see, who should I... I'm going for the Kog'Maw this game.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll walk all the way around. I'm going for the Kog'Maw. I got the Kog'Maw. I'm going for the Diana after. Nice, the Diana uses her Zonias. Nice, I got the Diana here. I'm healing from the Mundo, bro. Mundo can't even kill me. Mundo can't even kill me, bro. I'm healing from the Mundo, man. Shit, man. Shit.
You know what the perfect emote is for this round?
What is the perfect emote, bro? Tell me.
This one. No.
Crazy, man. That's crazy. Oh my god, man. That's crazy. I got a crazy argument also, man. GG's. GG's. This game is over. This game is over.
What did you get? Oh, lightning strikes. What the fuck? 6.3 attack.
This game is fucking...
Insane.
Oh, man. I'm dealing 1k true damage per second.
It's over.
I'm going all the way behind for the graves. Look how small fucking I am, bro. Fuck! Yeah, I'm going for this fucking Darius here. He wants the smoke. I'm giving him all the smoke. If he wants the smoke, I'm giving him all the fucking smoke.
Give it the smoke.
Take the smoke, Graves. You want the smoke? I'll give you all the smoke.
You're getting all the smoke.
Yeah, give them all the fucking smoke. Look how small I am, bro. I keep getting smaller and smaller. It's insane. I have 4k gold, man. Shit.
I'm buying another prismatic.
Shit. Give me more attack speed. Give me more attack speed. You know what's the issue for them? That they can't hit on me. They can't click on me, literally. Give me more attack speed here, bro.
Ooh, I think. Oh yeah, I think that's the one. Is this the one?
I have 7.57 attack speed, man. That is one of the insane ass games I have ever played in this arena. Holy shit. I'm going for the Kog'Maw as my first kill here. They can't click on me, bro. They can't click on me. You guys are too big. You're taking all of the damage. I have A.
Oh yeah.
Shit, man. Look how fast I'm fucking attacking, bro. That's crazy. Insanity, bro. Look at my attack speed, man. Shit. Oh my god, the unkillable demon minion.
Unkillable demon minion.
I'm going for the Velkas or the Graves, all the way behind them. Let's see what are they going? Ooh, you use your ultimate on me, so I'm going at it. No, please don't die.
Oh, we have the nesting doll.
I'm still living. Yeah, baby.
Easy game.
Yay!
Easy
Look how
game.
small I am dancing.
And how fast you're dancing.
GG's, guys. Hope you guys like this game.